Good morning, everyone. Today is October 13, 2019. I'm so excited to come to Jamie Harper, my best friend's farm, to learn about harvesting. Fall is one of the best seasons for many people because of the harvest, because of beautiful weather. Today is about 53 Fahrenheit degree, a little windy. That's a typical weather for fall in Prairie, Illinois. Okay, I'm going to let Jamie introduce her farm.
This is our family farm, part of our family farm. We're fourth generation, third generation farmers. We have beans here and we also have corn here. This is our second day of harvest, so we're just now starting to get into the fields due to all the rain and the cold weather coming up. So we're on day 2 of harvest in our bean field today.
Thank you, Jamie.
If you look to the bean field, you can tell that the beans are ready. Flick them and they pop.
I see. You just do that and then...
Yeah.
Oh.
And they pop open. That's how you know they're ready.
Oh, okay, they're mature.
Yeah.
This is pretty dry. That means we already allow enough time to dry up from the very rainy season. We had a start of rainy harvest season.
Yeah, so
That's
these
so cool.
these tested yesterday about 14%.
Can you drive this? You know how to drive this?
I don't drive this. I drive that one.
That one,
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Is that another company? Or...
You guys are gonna go for a ride? And
Yeah, it's so fun.
Yeah.
Field trip. Oh my God, this is so exciting.
Kind of my GPS kind of showed me where I need to be on track. It's giving me an average of what my moisture content is of the soybeans, how many bushels I've harvested. This is kind of like my average. This gives me kind of my how many gallons per acre once I get going, how many gallons per hour I'm burning, engine temperature, that kind of thing.
I see.
This on the iPad here kind of gives me an overall general idea of where my good spots and bad spots are at in the field.
What left to be harvested?
Yeah,
right?
and then what's still not colored in is what needs to be harvested yet.
All right, okay, let's
Absolutely.
go. Let's give it a try. You did a great work because I can see it's very well organized. So
Yeah. So we gather the beans up in the header, and then underneath of our feet, behind us, there's a rotor that kind of spins and knocks, and then the beans will actually be coming in behind us here in a minute.
Yeah, I saw some beans already.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing that they can separate them too quickly.
Yeah.
But Jamie showed me that when you just do that and separate,
Yeah,
that's
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's see how this part works. Oh, yay. You need to make sure it goes directly into the pocket, right?
Yep.
Right here.
Yeah.
Well, you are so good. Woo.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get lined up a little bit.
Right. This is like parallel parking with a combine. And that thing is called Model 895. Wow, amazing. Ooh. You know there's enough space there, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm holding my breath. I want all of that go in without any waste, without any spillage. It's almost too full. Okay, want to learn about the machine too. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So up here we got these knife sections, and these are going back and forth, so they kind of cut it like a scissor.
Okay.
Yep. So it pinches them in between here.
Oh, that's how they just go in
Yep.
and.
So that stalk will come in. Comes in like this.
Okay.
Cut it off right there.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
Okay. It cut the entire thing in and then throw.
And then it throws it in, and this thing is just kind of pushing it in there. So
Oh.
you'll see some fingers,
Oh.
and that's how we clean them. So it keeps all the dirt and all the trash goes out the back.
I see.
And then just so if you want to peek in there.
I see. Yeah. Oh yeah. David, you can come in and take a shot. After we harvest all the bean, those beans were put into a semi truck, and it's driven by Jamie's cousin coming into this grain elevator for storage. It's about 7 to 8 minutes away from the farm. And the truck drove here and then go to test the moisture first, and then coming over here to drop off the bean. So this company is called Monica Elevator. I think it's specialized in storing the harvest product. And you can see all this big, it's called Grain Elevator. It's a very interesting name, and it's a beautiful day, and you see the very sophisticated connections from all these 3 different bean and elevator. Okay, if you like my channel, please make sure you subscribe and give your comments. Thank you.